We finally got us our Bigfoot patrol, Washington State, in the green that matches the truck there. So we're going to find a spot for that on this window here. I'm kind of thinking, up here above the hokey-ass message board. Okay, we got the backing peeled off. And we've got our special application tool there. Let's get this done. Let's see if we can kind of get it straight. I don't know. I'm thinking we're pretty good there. Then we take our applicator here. Yeah, that's looking pretty darn good. Then take this, and this should just leave a sticker. Nice and gently take that off. There you have it. Washington Bigfoot Patrol. It's on the junker truck. How neat is that?